Hi, good people. I would like to thank those who have so far subscribed to my channel. Honestly speaking, this is a great motivation to me since, as I said when I posted my first video, my channel is still young, but I'm looking forward to seeing it growing and reach out to many people in the coming days. Just want to assure you, my viewers, I will not disappoint you. I'll try as much as possible to be professional in all my video tutorials and bring you content that will be helpful to you. Good people, before we continue, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Hit that notification bell icon to receive instant updates whenever I upload new video in the coming days. Leave your comment in the comment section and share this video to help your friends know about it. Guys, while I was sitting down in my desk, I thought it is wise to first share with you the kind of content that you'll be expecting in this channel in the coming days. And that's what this video of today will be focusing on. Most of my videos in this channel are going to focus on the three major topics, which are web programming, digital marketing, and topics on information technology. Good people, my background as a developer since I graduated from the university with Bachelor of Science in Computer Science has always been on web programming, and this is where I will be paying much focus on. Just to let you know, during my second year at the university, I started working with different organizations and institutions that included colleges and high schools here in Kenya as a freelance web designer, and this is what motivated me much to venture deep into the world of web design and development, as my greatest passion, as I have said, has always been using my technical knowledge to benefit other people and organization. In web design and development, I will be preparing tutorial videos both on front-end technology and back-end technology, not also forgetting that's the database management. We will first begin by looking at the basics of web, focusing on topics such as internet fundamentals and how does the web work. We will look at the basic of front-end technologies such as fundamentals in HTML, that's CSS fundamentals, JavaScript fundamentals, and later on also going to look at working with Bootstrap for building user interfaces. Thereafter, we will have a crash course tutorial like coming up with a small website, combining the knowledge gained from the above mentioned topics. We will go to advanced level and introduce the JavaScript UI library called ReactJS. Then have a crash course on the same, focusing on its fundamentals. That one done, I will start preparing videos on backend technologies. Here, I will focus on server-side programming languages, also be focusing on frameworks, databases, and API, that is application programming interface. On programming languages, I will start first by looking at PHP, since it's the first backend language that I learned as a beginner developer. We will then look at its main framework that I've been using for a while, that's called Laravel. We'll introduce you to it and have some crash application tutorials on the same that focuses on its fundamentals. That one done, I will start preparing content on JavaScript runtime environment, that's called NodeJS, one of my favorite backend technology. We then look at its main framework, that's ExpressJS, a Node.js framework designed to build API, web application, cross-platform mobile apps quickly and make Node.js easy. Guys, we'll introduce you to the basic of Python. Thereafter, then look at its main web development framework by the name Django. And as above, I've said, come up with a crude and a crash application to look at its fundamentals. On the database management, we look at various DBMS technology that should be known by every developer, that's such as MongoDB, MySQL, and SQL Server that handle storage and management of data. We also look at both the two types of database, that's relational and non-relational. Once we are done with that, I will then prepare content on version control and learn how to use Git and GitHub, one of the most skills required of the developer. Guys, following all my tutorials I will be sharing on this channel in the coming days, you will have a clear path and roadmap on how to become a full stack web developer in the year 2023. Besides preparing videos as above, we will also be sharing tutorials on the leading content management system, which are WordPress, Joomla, and WooCommerce, on how to make and manage websites using them. We'll also be looking at digital marketing topics and how they can drive your business value. Lastly, since during my profession, I've also served in various positions in the IT field, I think I will feel less if I won't be sharing general topics in the IT field based on my experience. Good people, as you can see, we have a lot of content coming up on the way in this channel. And as I promised you, I will strive to be professional and meet most of your expectation, if not all. If you find out that this is the kind of content you want, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell icon to receive instant updates whenever I upload a video in the coming days. Leave your comment below in the comment section and share this video to help your friends know about it. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you soon in the next video. God bless you.